want it?
Now!
What do we want? Transparency. When do we want it?
Now!
Whose drug?
Our drug!
Whose drug?
Our drug!
Ladies and gentlemen, we are a coalition of civil society and community-based organizations committed to ensuring that communities affected by TB are engaged and have access to the benefits of research. We interrupt this meeting to present our shared concerns and to demand transparency and accountability from the TB Alliance. The US FDA approved, as you know, Britamine as a part of the regimen in August, and the WHO will convene a guideline development group meeting in November. Yet the size and design of NIC's TB trial has left many questions about Britamine unanswered. The TB Alliance must commit to filling the following research gaps, and to doing so, we want data to first confirm the safety and efficacy of Britamine. Second, to evaluate how Britamine compares to Delamanid, a medicine from the same class. And third, to evaluate how Britamine-containing regimens compare to other regimens that include bedaquiline and linezolid. We want to know if Britamine can be safely given to people living with HIV with low CD4 counts, including those on dolutegravir. And we want to know if Britamine can be safely given to children. The TB Alliance should support or carry out these studies using the revenue generated from the sale of its priority review voucher. In the meantime, the TB Alliance must commit to supporting operational research and other studies necessary to understand the challenges of incorporating Britamine and the NIC's TB regimen into programmatic use. The TB Alliance must also commit to ensuring appropriate use and intensive pharmacovigilance measures outside of clinical trials, as the safety and efficacy of Britamine are yet to be confirmed. That's the very important point. The TB Alliance must commit to publishing all of its research findings in the peer-reviewed literature and to sharing them with research participants and the broader community. Results dissemination is a core principle of good participatory practice and the TB Alliance responsibility. We note with concern that findings from STAND trial have yet to be published. This data offer additional information about the safety and efficacy of Britamine and should be presented for public scrutiny. In addition to coming to the conduct of additional research, intensive pharmacovigilance monitoring and results dissemination, we urge the TB Alliance to ensure that Britamine is equitably accessible to XDR-TB patients in need, including through an affordable and low price and free compassionate use program, while registrations are being prepared and are pending. The TB Alliance is a non-for-profit organization funded through grants. The TB Alliance developed Britamine using public and philanthropic funds. As such, Britamine is a public good developed for us, by us. Despite repeated requests for transparency, the full licensing agreement between the TB Alliance and the Mylan, as well as recently announced MacLeod's, have not been made available to the public. The public is entitled to see the terms dictating how Britamine, which was developed by and for the public, will be made available across the world. The public is also entitled, we again call on the TB Alliance to commit for transparency and to quit behaving worse than pharma by making public the full terms of these agreements with Mylan and MacLeod's. To summarize, we want rigorous research informed by communities. We want data transparency and extensive pharmacovigilance monitoring. We want free drug for compassionate use. We want rapid registration in high-burden countries. We want the licensing agreements to be made public. And we want a low, affordable price, lower than $364 per 6 months course offered to GDF, based on the cost of production and equitable access to Britamine for XDR-TB patients in need. This is our drug.